This is the lecture number 2 for the chapter constructions for the class 9th. In the last lecture, we have done how to construct a 60-degree angle, how to construct a 120-degree angle. Then we have discussed how to construct a 90-degree angle. After that, we'll discuss how to construct a 45-degree angle, or first of all, let us take 30-degree angle. Now, how can we construct this 30-degree angle? First of all, you draw a 60-degree angle. This is a 60-degree angle. You know how to construct 60-degree angle. Then draw the bisector of this. You know how to draw the bisector. Put the compass at these 2 points and half the radius of this arc. You cut these two arcs and you will get the angle this as 30-degree. So we'll discuss how to construct this 30-degree angle. So first of all, we draw the arc. Draw an angle. Let us take this angle with, let us call it A and B, with A as a center and suitable radius. You draw an semicircle like this with let us call this angle as P, with P as a center and the same radius. You draw an arc on this semicircle. You know this is the 60-degree angle. Now because we have to draw the 30-degree angle, and then with P as a center, let us call this arc be Q, with P and Q as a center and the radius more than half of PQ. You bisect this arc like this, and with PQ as a center and the same radius, you cut this arc. Let us, they are intersecting at the point R. When you join this R with A, you will get this angle as how much? 30-degree angle. Up to this, and this angle is equal to 30-degree angle, which is the half of the angle of 60. So this is the way you can construct a 30-degree angle using compass and scale only. Now similarly, we can draw the 15-degree angle. Now this is the half of the angle of 30. So first of all, you draw 30-degree angle as we have drawn in the last. So first of all, you draw the 30-degree angle. So this is a ray, let us call it AB, with B as A as a center and suitable radius. You draw a semicircle with A as a center, with A as a center. So this is the, let us call it this point BP, with P as a center and the same radius. The radius should be same. You draw 60-degree angle. You know this is the 60-degree angle. Let us call this as Q, with Q and P as a center and the radius more than half of PQ. Draw the 30-degree angle as we have done earlier this question. This angle you'll get how much? This is the 30-degree angle. You join this with a dotted line because we need a 15-degree angle. So I've drawn this with a dotted line, this 30-degree angle. Now I need 30-degree angle is a half of this 30-degree. With P as a center, let us call this be point BR, with R and P as a center and the radius more than half of the arc RP. You cut these two arcs taking R and P as the center. So this is the angle of how much? You'll get this angle as 30-degree. How much is the 30-degree? From P to this. This is 15-degree angle. ये आपका angle 15-degree का आ गया. This is the way you can draw the 15-degree angle. That is angle PQRS. That is angle SAB is equal to, लिखना है आपको राइट में कि कौन सा एंगल 15-degree का. SAB angle is equal to 15-degree. So this is how you can draw 15-degree angle. After that, we'll draw how to construct 45-degree angle. Now we have learned how to draw a 90-degree angle, and 45 is the half of the angle of 90-degree. So first of all, you draw the 90-degree angle and bisect it. You will get the angle of 45. So I am drawing first of all the 90-degree angle. You know how to draw it 90 degree? We have discussed in the last lecture. with B as a center and suitable radius, you draw a semicircle. You draw a semicircle intersecting AB. Let us call it C, with C as a center and the same radius. You know how to draw 60 degree. Let us call it D, with D as a center. Draw another arc on the same semicircle. Let us call it E, with E and D as a center and with the same radius. You bisect this same radius. This is the 90 degree angle. You know it, to how to draw the 90 degree angle. You draw this 90 degree angle with a dotted line, because we don't need the 90 degree angle. We need 45, and 45 is the half of 90. So 45 is half of 90. So this is the 90 degree angle. Let us call this point be E, F, or E we already have F, with C and F as a center and the radius more than half of CF. You bisect this angle, taking C as a center and F as a center. Bisect this. So the angle you will get will be equal to, this is call it G, will be 45. So that is angle GBA is equal to 45 degree. This is the how you will draw the 45 degree angle, by using only compass and scale. Now the half of angle is 45 is 22 and a half. So you can draw the angle of 22 and a half degree, which is the half of 45. So 22 and a half can be constructed. After drawing 45, you bisect the 45 degree angle. You'll get the angle of 22 and a half degree. So first of all, as this we have drawn, first of all draw the 45 degree angle, and when we bisect it, you'll get an angle of this 22 and a half. So as first of all, we'll draw the 45 degree angle. Same as it is. Let us call it B. Let us call it A, with B as a center and suitable radius. Draw an angle of how much? First of all, draw semicircle with the same radius, with center C. Cut an arc. Let us call it D, with the D as a center, with the same radius. Cut another arc. Let us call it E. We are drawing an angle of 22 and a half with D as a center and the same radius. Cut these two arcs, intersecting arcs. You will get an angle of 90 degree. You have to draw it with a dotted line. 90 degree angle. This is the 90 degree angle. Let us call it F. Then 45 degrees obtained by bisecting the angle this 90 degree with C and F as a center and the radius more than half of this. You draw an angle of 45 degree with C as a center and F as a center and the same radius. This is angle of 45. You again draw it with a dotted line, because we don't need this 45 degree angle. We need 22 and a half degree angle. Let us call it FG, with C and G as a center and the radius more than half of C and G. You can take it equal to C and G. Length CG. So draw two arcs intersecting each other, and this angle you will obtain as how much? You will obtain this angle as 22 and a half degree. This angle, let us call it GH. So this angle will be equal to 22 and a half degree. That is angle HBA is equal to 22 and a half degrees angle. This is how this 22 and a half degree angle is constructed by using only compass and scale. First of all, 90 bisected, you will get 45. Bisected, you will get an angle of 22 and a half degree. This is the method to draw a 22 and a half degrees. Okay. After this, we'll construct the angle of 75 and 105 degrees. 75 and 105 degrees. So how we'll draw this 75 degree and 105 degrees angle. Now this angle of 75 is lying between 90 and 60. Now this is obtained if we bisect the angle of 75 and 90. Oh sorry, it is between 60 and 90. When you bisect it, you will get add and divided by 2, you are getting 150 upon 2, that is 75. Means you have to bisect the angle 60 and 90. So to draw an angle of 105, you have to draw the angle of 90 and 60. So first of all, you draw, I am drawing it rough, 90 degree angle is 60 degree, 120 degree. Here when you put it, it will be equal to 90 degree. When you bisect this 60 degree angle and 90, you'll get an angle of how much? 75 degree, like this. 90 and 60 ko you have to bisect. So draw it. First of all, draw the 90 degree angle. We are constructing an angle of 75. So you line segment with any radius, suitable radius, draw an semicircle with the same radius, you know it, 60, this is 120, you know it, this is 90, this is 90 degree angle, this is the 90 degree angle, and draw with a dotted line because we don't need it. We don't need this 90 degree angle. We need 75, which is lying between this. So we call it A, B, this is C, this is D. Let us call it E, this point. When you bisect this 60 and 90 degree angle, you will get 75. C as a center and radius equal to, you can take at CF distance. See it very carefully. You bisect this angle, C as a center, and bisect this arc with F as a center. आपको C और इस point पे रखना है. See it very carefully. At C and F, and you'll get this angle as how much? 75 degree angle. This angle will be 75 F G. Let us call it G. So angle GAB is equal to 75 degrees. So it means it is obtained by bisecting the 60 degree angle and the 90 degree angle. Okay. After that, you have to construct an angle of 105. 105 किसके बीच में आ रहा है? It is lying between 90 and 120. It's a bisector of 19 because when you add and divide it by 2, you will get 105 degree angle. Means angle 105 will be obtained by bisecting 90 and 120. So you draw the 90 degree angle as usual. 90, 60, 120, bisect it. You are getting this angle as 90 degree, and this is 120. When you bisect it, this 90 degree and 160, you'll get this angle as, this angle will be equal to how much? 105 degrees. So you have to bisect this 90 degree and 120 degree to obtain the angle of 105. So it means to construct an angle of 105, you have to make an angle of 90 degree as in case of 75. So as usual, first of all, you draw or construct a 90 degree angle. So we are drawing the 90 degree angle and will bisect the 90 and 120. So with this as center and suitable radius, you know it how to draw the 90 degree angle. This is the 90 degree angle we can draw. This is 60, you know it. When you put it here, you'll get a 120, and when you bisect this 90 and 60 and 120, you'll get a 90 degree angle. We don't need this angle as 90 degree, so you draw it by dotted line. You draw it by dotted line. So when you bisect this 90 and 120, you bisect it like this, with putting at 90 and 120, this point, and this point. This is 120, this is 90, taking this point and this point as the center and radius equal to this arc. You mark these two arc intersecting each other, and when you join with the origin, you'll get this. So as usual, let us call it A, this is B, let us C, this is D, this is E point, let us call it F, with E and F as the center. You bisect this, intersecting each other at F, E, F, G. So angle GAB is equal to 105 degrees. So it is obtained by bisecting this 90-degree angle and 120-degree angle to obtain an angle of 105. So this is how you can construct an angle of 75 and 105 using only compass and a scale. Okay, we'll continue the next lecture. Thank you.